ఏ యాక్టర్ అంటే క్రష్ మీకు?
I think I have a crush on Aditya Roy Kapoor from, yeah, he looks
Bollywood.
very good to me.
Yeah. What's your ambition as an actress or as a person in the future?
See, ambition as an actress is I would want to do roles which have a good message, but it's not in my hands. So I'm waiting for those kind of directors to approach me with such good and strong roles like Talakona itself.
Yes. Yeah.
But as a person, I think my as a person, see, as an actress, having a ambition is very small. But as a person, we can have a lot of ambitions.
Yes.
I really want to be capable enough to make sure that people don't sleep hungry, and I want to do something for the society. And I hope I become that powerful that I can do something for the street dogs and the poor people.
You are more beautiful than outside. Your inside is very pure and it's more beautiful than your
Thank you,
appearance
thank
actually.
you, thank you.
Yeah. What's your word to the regarding Talakona to the audience?
So the film offers a big, nature sort of a story. The hero of the story is nature, and it's a nature-driven film. And usually we see a lot of heroes doing action, which is very kind of common. But here you would see an actress like me doing action, and you would see a rowdy Apsara, which is I think a lot of fun watching. And you guys are gonna be so entertained, and it's a different movie, not a typical stories that we do usually. So you guys will enjoy it. It is a very entertaining thriller, and thank you for all the love, and keep showering all the love to me, Talakona entire team, and thank you.
ఇంటర్వ్యూ తర్వాత నాతో పాటు ఇది చూసిన ఆడియన్స్కి మీ మీద ఉన్న ఒపీనియన్ ఎలా అయితే మారిందో, ఈ సినిమా చూసిన తర్వాత ఇంతకు ముందున్న అప్సరా ఇమేజ్కి ఇప్పుడు చేస్తున్న మీ వర్క్కి ఆ ఇమేజ్ అనేది కూడా మారాలని, నెక్స్ట్ మీరు అనుకుంటున్న ఏవైతే విచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రోల్స్ డూ యూ వాంట్ టు లైక్ మోర్, ఆ రోల్స్ అన్ని కూడా మీకు రావాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం. విష్ యూ గ్రేట్ సక్సెస్ అండ్ గ్రాండ్ సక్సెస్ విత్ దిస్ Talakona.
Thank you so much.
Yes.